Here's an example of tube and line image processing with the CARESTREAM ImageView software. We will begin by selecting a patient from the modality work list. After verifying the proper exposure factors, the radiographer can capture an image. The preview image appears in the center pane. Once the full resolution image is available, the radiographer can select the tube and line companion view icon. This will reprocess the original image to produce a companion view with increased edge enhancement to increase the visualization of small features such as peripherally inserted central catheters. It is also important to note that the companion view can be automatically generated if configured to do so. The radiographer now has the ability to toggle between the two images by selecting the proper icon. Once satisfied with the two images, they can be accepted and queued for delivery to PACS. The radiographer can now navigate back to the modality work list for the next patient.